On 4th of January, Nagrik Suraksha Manch called for a press conference at Rongbi Naklam, Diphu, over the issues of land pata documentation and land compensation money in which the rightful landowners are being deprived from it. Demands action against all the miscreants involved. Mahajan Crow, president of Nagrik Suraksha Manch, while speaking to us, informed that to carry out the four-laning of road project at Karbi Anglong district, the responsibilities were bestowed upon Tenzing Rongpi, Joint Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council by the Ministry of Board Highway, Government of India. Likewise, the responsibility of National Highway 29 connecting Dokmuka to Lahorizan and Numaligarh to Khatkhati was also assigned under Tenzing Rongpi. Hence, to assist him at the area Sector 6, Tarun Rongpi Mondol, Hemari Taro, SK Albert Teron, Lamjir Terang were inducted. Due to their inappropriate and incompetent work towards their duty, the land compensation money were acquired by them illegally, leaving the rightful landowner behind.
Pulutang de Dagabangke, non Latum, Tenzing Rongpi Pengadang Torun Rongpi Mondol, Hemari Taro, Alang Letum Banke, Dak Ali Situen Turong, La Dagabangke.
Therefore, Nagrik Suraksha Manch during their press conference strongly condemned to take stern action against the miscreants, namely Tarun Rongpi, Hemari Taro, SK Albert Teron, Lamjir Terang for their deeds.
Je Prab Jin Pen La National Highway 29, National Highway 29, Package 227 and Inquiry Pen, Council Solajong, Inquiry Pen. Kecok cetumhan dak nep insai nang po naso tengpen bisar nang po sinitum naso bisar ta long po pusi nilitum ninji telum.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.